Thutha wa kuhuruka kwa kahinda ka mweri mugima, bunge ni cokereirie cikaro ciayo na undu wa mbere kurongoreria uma thogora wa iguru wa muturire na makiria thogora wa iguru wa irio.
Items like inflation, costs.
Na o mubunge uria waririe ataririe bata wa thogora wa irio guthie thi niguo Akenya aingi mahuthirwo ni murigo wa muturire.
The chairman to tell this house when he is tabling a report or something that will start or jumpstart the process of reducing the price of unga, the price of mafuta, the price of mkate, the price of maziwa, because our people are suffering.
Mr. Speaker, to my fellow Kenyans, the most immediate call is for them to diversify what they eat, so that instead of saying I must always have maize flour, they can have other types of food that is available in the supermarkets or whatever the food stores they may be getting.
Undu uria wiyumiririe makiria ni ambunge kwenda uhoro wa urimi urumbuyo makiria na niguo gutigirira bururi-ini wa kuria irio cia kuigana.
Where we know that this country depends on agriculture. We have so many people depending on agriculture. They do their very best, but they do not get enough.
Yesterday, a group of people from my constituency came to my house in the morning, and they told me, Honorable Kaduri, please go to Parliament tomorrow. And the assignment we have given you is nothing else but to make sure that you articulate the issues that are affecting Wanjiku.
Uhoro wa thirikari kuhe arimi fertilizer, urimi wa mai, ona thirikari kugura irio kuma kuri arimi, ni mamwe ma mataro maria ambunge maugite ni mekurehe kihonia.
We just go straight ahead and give farmers free seeds and free fertilizers, just like we give free medical care and free education.
It will be incumbent upon us to ensure that we find a solution so that we do not reach the point that we are currently, where our counties might be grinding to a halt.
Na thutha wa ambunge gwitika kiriro kia Akenya wagwetererwo kuona ni mitaratara iria bunge ikwambika niguo gutigirira thogora wa muturire ni wanyiha. Maina wa Wairigi, Inooro TV.